The Pfizer vaccine is here in San Luis Obispo County, and one by one, frontline workers are among the first to receive it.
KSBY's Megan Healy has a look at the first doses given out by the San Luis Obispo County Public Health Department and shares the reaction from the long-awaited event.
History was made right here at the San Luis Obispo County Public Health Department on Friday. If you think back to March, when the first COVID-19 case was reported locally, and compare it to now, mid-December, when healthcare workers are receiving Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for the first time in the county, you can see that there has been a long journey, a journey that's just getting started. San Luis Obispo County is one step closer to winning the battle against an invisible enemy. 5 frontline workers were the first to receive Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine from the San Luis Obispo County Public Health Department Friday.
One of the more hopeful days we've had in a long time in healthcare.
As an emergency room doctor at Sierra Vista Regional Medical Center and Twin Cities Hospital, Dr. Williams has witnessed the pandemic's devastation.
Maybe we can alleviate some of the suffering in our community, which would be amazing, because it does get hard to see day in and day out.
It just makes me feel so happy.
An emotional day for the community as a whole.
Yay!
And I want to get on with living and stop all the death.
It is still a long tunnel, but at least we have in our hands right now the best tool that we can to stop this pandemic in its tracks.
While the vaccine brings hope to many, Dr. Bornstein doesn't expect the general public to have access until late spring or early summer.
This is not the time to let down your guard.
Experts say you aren't fully immunized until receiving the second dose of Pfizer's vaccine, which happens 3 to 4 weeks after the first.
I came in, I signed one sheet of paper just stating I didn't have any serious allergies, and once I was done, I got a quick shot and it was very painless.
It didn't hurt a bit, and I was just excited to be getting it done.
San Luis Obispo City Fire Engineer Alex Flatos was nervous in deciding to get the shot, but says it was important to set an example.
It's something new, and so I was like many people who just aren't sure, and I decided to trust the doctors and the scientists.
Doses were also distributed and made available to Central Coast Hospital workers on Thursday. In San Luis Obispo, I'm Megan Healy, KSBY News.
San Luis Obispo County received about 2,000 doses of Pfizer's vaccine.
Public health officials expect to get about 4,000 more doses from Moderna next week now that it has been approved by the FDA.